What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. For the past couple of weeks we've been exploring different states from Colorado to Utah to Nevada, and now, yes, we have been in Arizona for the past couple of days just exploring the endless dirt roads. If you haven't watched the last video, we visited an amazing place right next to the Colorado River. Then we headed back out to Sedona area where we hit Broken Arrow. Now, on today's agenda, we're basically just going to be hanging out in Flagstaff for a bit. We're going to be just winding down, enjoying the beautiful morning, enjoying a good breakfast, a good cup of coffee, and then we're going to start working our way towards Phoenix, Arizona in search of that perfect campsite. So my friends have been very gracious and have been cooking for the past couple of days. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna introduce them to the good old Yucateco sauce. Let's go. So we brought the extra hot chile habanero, and then we also got just the regular green chile habanero. So we'll see which one they like most. Oh, and we also have the Caribbean hot sauce chile habanero. Damn, they're in for a treat. Let's go. All right, guys, special delivery here. So as I was walking around, I noticed there was trash absolutely everywhere. And then I also noticed guys with yellow vests. And basically what they do is they pick up everybody's trash that's left behind. And man, it's sad to see such a beautiful place just being trashed. Toilet paper everywhere. There's like boxes left, grills left behind. If you guys come out to these places, please do me a favor, clean after yourself. The more trash there is, I'm telling you right now, they're gonna end up closing these places and we're not gonna be able to camp. So if we can all do our part, I mean, this place will definitely stay beautiful for the next generations to come. Agua Fria National Monument is approximately 40 miles north of downtown Phoenix. It's about 72,000 acres. This place is absolutely filled with history, which is one of the reasons why we wanted to check it out. I mean, you're talking about thousands and thousands of Native Americans that used to live here, and that was before the Common Era, which is usually 1250, 1450 CE. The crazy thing about this place is that everything was left behind. I mean, you're talking about petroglyphs still on the wall, geometric figures on rocks, abstract symbols all over the place. and you can even still see rooms and pueblos just left behind. If there's a simple request that I can ask all my viewers is, please, if you do decide to visit a place like this, please do not add anything to these places. Don't carve your name next to the petroglyphs. Do not take anything from here. Let the place be. Let it tell its history for all the generations to come. So unfortunately, on one of our quick stops, Tiffany fell and she got pretty badly injured. She has a pretty deep wound that needs to go to urgent care to possibly get stitches. So this is just a quick reminder that obviously things can go wrong, whether it's mechanically or someone actually getting hurt. So I do recommend always carry a medical kit, and just always make sure that everything is up to date and you're carrying the right things just in case something like this happens. So at this point, we're just gonna let it play out and possibly just head to our local hospital and make sure that she's treated, make sure that she's taken care of. And if you guys don't follow her on Instagram, I'll be putting it down below. Make sure you guys send her a message and wish her a speedy recovery. So let's just keep going and see where this adventure takes us. One thing that I definitely do practice and I do believe in is going in together and coming out together. Whether if somebody breaks down, hey, you know what? Either we fix it and we continue, or we just come back home. The same thing applies to the incident like today. Somebody gets hurt, hey, we all have to come out and just take care of one another, you know? For those of you guys that have been part of this community or possibly are considering joining this overland lifestyle, just know that you are a part of an awesome community that truly cares about you and is willing to do anything to make sure that you're safe out on the trails and that you have a blast. And just like that, after a visit to the emergency room and 4 stitches later, Tiffany was up and ready to go. And we decided it was time to get back on the dirt road and head to our last destination. I always say the same exact thing in every video when we roll in at night, is that you just never know what type of view we're gonna wake up to or what you're gonna wake up to. But I'm definitely excited to hang out with the rest of the crew for one more night and wake up to a beautiful view. What is going on, guys, and good morning. Man, remember last night I told you guys that rolling in at night is probably the best time you can roll in because you're not exactly sure what views you're gonna wake up to. Let me show you guys. this trip was an absolute success. To be able to travel with my friends for the past 4 days and just explore the endless dirt roads of Arizona, man, life just could not get better than that. If you guys would like to continue following this journey and continue to travel with me through the channel, do me a favor, consider subscribing. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.